Hurricane Barbara has hit Mexico's southern Pacific coast, flooding roads, toppling trees and killing 2 men. The U.S. National Hurricane Center said it was 80 miles east of the ports of Salina Cruz in Oaxaca state. The hurricane was so strong, winds were blowing at around 75 miles per hour. Local emergency services said a 61-year-old American man had drowned during the storm. A 26-year-old Mexican man was also killed as he tried to cross a stream.
Although this phenomena is taking place, the deaths have not been caused by it. A negligent person on vacation saw the beach closed and broke all protocols and restrictions and lost their life. This is in the area of Salina Cruz. The second person tried to cross a stream at night and they were taken by the stream. The natural force is stronger than us, so they lost their life.
Officials have now issued a hurricane warning from Oaxaca's Puerto Angel to Barra de Tonala.